Are you tired of dull, lifeless skin? Today we're diving into the world of DIY cucumber-infused beauty products. Stay tuned for some amazing natural skincare hacks that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Cucumbers are not just for salads. They are packed with vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for your skin. Known for their cooling and soothing properties, cucumbers have been used for centuries in beauty rituals. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from environmental damage. They also contain silica, which helps to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, cucumbers can help to soothe, hydrate, and revitalize your complexion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more holistic wellness tips. A cucumber facial mask is a simple yet effective way to refresh and rejuvenate your skin. This natural remedy has been used for centuries, and its benefits are well documented. Not only does it provide a cooling sensation, but it also helps to hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Cucumbers are naturally cooling and hydrating, which can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce puffiness. The high water content in cucumbers makes them an excellent source of hydration for your skin. Additionally, cucumbers contain vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for skin health, such as vitamin C and caffeic acid, which help to reduce swelling and prevent water retention. To make a cucumber facial mask, you will need half a cucumber, peeled and grated. The process of grating the cucumber releases its natural juices, which are packed with nutrients that can benefit your skin. Make sure to use a fresh cucumber for the best results, as the fresher the cucumber, the more effective the mask will be. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt is also needed. Yogurt is known for its moisturizing properties and is rich in lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and promoting a brighter complexion. The combination of cucumber and yogurt creates a powerful mask that can leave your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps to retain moisture in the skin. It also has antibacterial properties, which can help to prevent and treat acne. The addition of honey to the mask not only enhances its moisturizing effects, but also adds a soothing element that can calm irritated skin. Combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Ensure that the mixture is smooth and well blended, as this will make it easier to apply to your skin. The consistency should be thick enough to stay on your face without dripping, but not so thick that it is difficult to spread. Apply the mask evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Using a brush can help to ensure an even application, but you can also use your fingers if you prefer. Be gentle when applying the mask, especially around sensitive areas of your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. During this time, you can relax and let the mask work its magic. The cool water rinse will help to close your pores and leave your skin feeling refreshed. This mask is particularly beneficial for those with dry or sensitive skin, as the yogurt helps to moisturize. The lactic acid in the yogurt gently exfoliates, while the cucumber and honey provide hydration and soothing effects. This combination makes the mask suitable for all skin types, but especially for those who need extra moisture and care. And the honey soothes inflammation. Its natural antibacterial properties can also help to keep your skin clear and free from blemishes. Regular use of this mask can lead to a noticeable improvement in the texture and appearance of your skin. Use this mask once or twice a week for a refreshing and revitalizing treat for your skin. Consistent use will help to maintain your skin's hydration levels and keep it looking healthy and radiant. Enjoy the natural benefits of this simple yet effective cucumber facial mask, and give your skin the care it deserves. The delicate skin around our eyes is prone to dryness, puffiness, and dark circles. This is often due to factors like lack of sleep, stress, and even environmental pollutants. Over time, these issues can make us look older and more fatigued than we actually feel. But don't worry, there's a simple and natural remedy that can help rejuvenate your eyes and restore their youthful appearance. Cucumber eye treatments are a popular remedy for these concerns, thanks to their cooling, hydrating, and anti-inflammatory properties. Cucumbers are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, which is known to help reduce dark circles. The antioxidants in cucumbers also help to combat the effects of free radicals, which can cause premature aging. For this simple yet effective eye treatment, you will only need 2 slices of chilled cucumber. Make sure the cucumbers are fresh and have been stored in the refrigerator for at least an hour. The cool temperature enhances the soothing effect and helps to constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling and puffiness. Place the cucumber slices directly onto closed eyelids. Ensure that the slices cover the entire eye area, including the under eye region where dark circles and puffiness are most prominent. The coolness of the cucumber will provide immediate relief to tired eyes. Lie down and relax for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the coolness of the cucumber to soothe tired eyes and reduce puffiness. This is a great time to practice some deep breathing or listen to calming music, enhancing the overall relaxation experience. The natural astringent properties of cucumbers will help to tighten the skin around your eyes, giving you a refreshed and rejuvenated look. The high water content in cucumbers helps to hydrate the delicate skin around the eyes, while the ascorbic acid and caffeic acid in cucumbers can help to reduce water retention, which in turn reduces puffiness and under-eye circles. Regular use of cucumber eye treatments can lead to long-term benefits, making your eyes look brighter and more awake. So next time your eyes feel tired, reach for a cucumber and give this soothing treatment a try. Your eyes will thank you. Cucumber toner, balancing and refreshing. Next, we will explore the benefits and the process of making a refreshing cucumber toner, a simple yet effective addition to your skincare routine. Toners are an essential part of any skincare routine as they help to balance the skin's pH levels, which can often be disrupted by cleansing. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and preventing issues such as dryness or oiliness. They also play a vital role in removing any remaining traces of makeup, dirt, and impurities that your cleanser might have missed. This ensures that your skin is thoroughly clean and ready to absorb the next steps in your skincare routine. By preparing the skin for the application of serums and moisturizers, toners enhance the effectiveness of these products. When your skin is properly prepped, it can better absorb the beneficial ingredients in your serums and moisturizers, leading to improved results. To make a refreshing cucumber toner, you will need half a cucumber, peeled and chopped. Cucumbers are known for their hydrating and soothing properties, making them an excellent ingredient for a toner. You will also need half a cup of distilled water. Distilled water is free from impurities and contaminants, ensuring that your toner is pure and gentle on the skin. Combine the cucumber and water in a blender and blend until smooth. This process helps to release the beneficial properties of the cucumber into the water, creating a potent and refreshing mixture. Then, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or coffee filter into a clean bottle. Straining is important to remove any solid particles, ensuring that your toner is smooth and easy to apply. Store the toner in the refrigerator for up to a week. Keeping it chilled not only preserves its freshness, but also adds a cooling effect when applied to the skin, enhancing its soothing properties. To use, simply apply the toner to a cotton pad. Make sure the pad is saturated but not dripping to ensure an even application. Gently wipe it over your face and neck after cleansing. This step helps to remove any residual cleanser and impurities, while also delivering the benefits of the cucumber toner to your skin. The cucumber toner will help to tighten pores, refresh the skin, and provide a burst of hydration. The natural astringent properties of cucumber help to minimize the appearance of pores, giving your skin a smoother look. It will leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. Regular use of this toner can contribute to a healthier, more radiant complexion, making it a valuable addition to your daily skincare routine. The power of cucumber, a recap. Cucumbers are a versatile and affordable ingredient that can do wonders for your skin. Their high water content, vitamins, and antioxidants make them an excellent natural remedy for a variety of skin concerns. Whether you're looking to soothe irritation, reduce puffiness, or simply give your skin a refreshing boost, cucumbers are a natural and effective solution. They are gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin and can be easily incorporated into your skincare routine. Try these easy DIY cucumber-infused beauty products and experience the refreshing and revitalizing benefits for yourself. Your skin will thank you for it. Embrace the green goodness. Try it yourself. Ready to experience the magic of cucumbers for yourself? Gather your ingredients and give these simple DIY beauty recipes a try. You'll be amazed by the results. Share your experiences with us. We would love to hear how these cucumber-infused beauty products worked for you. Leave a comment below and tell us about your favorite recipe and the results you've seen. Remember, Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the best solutions are found in nature's bounty.